This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer file from Android to Macbook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Are you trying to send photos from your Android phone to your MacBook? It is usually difficult to connect a Mac to an Android device because Apple's compatibility protocol. As such, moving photos from an Android device to Mac can be inconvenient. Sure, there's a way to mirror your to send your photos and videos from Android phone to MacBook. It's so simple. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, in here, you can just send it through your Telegram. So you can enter your Telegram. You can open your Telegram web, log into your Telegram account to your MacBook. Now, you can send files, the photos and videos from your Android phone here, like this. You can choose the photos and also the videos. Like this for the example. Let's choose these photos and send it. After that, you can just download the files, the photos and videos from your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So you don't need to use USB cable or other apps from your MacBook and also your Android phone. So that is how to transfer photos and videos from Android phone to MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!